Hi, I'm Joseph Hoffman, and today is another Finger Power Day. We're going to be working on Hanon's exercise number 13 from his famous collection of exercises, the Virtuoso Pianist. Let's come to the piano to get started. If you haven't already, I suggest that you pause the video to download and print out your own copy of exercise number 13, which you can get from the Hoffman Academy website. Once you have your sheet music ready, I challenge you to take a few minutes to try and learn the first page of exercise number 13 on your own. Be especially careful about the finger numbers, since fingerings are always an important part of any finger power exercise. All right, pause now and learn page 1 of exercise 13, then press play when you're ready. All right, let's take a look at this ascending pattern. We start with finger 3 on E, skip down, up a fourth, skip down a third, up a fourth, down a third. So that's our core pattern. Down a third, up a fourth, down a third, up a fourth, down a third, and then this little pattern of 2 step-ups. And then our finger 3 on both hands is going to scooch, that's the technical term, over to start the pattern again. So you'll notice we step down, even though we're skipping down a finger, it's just a step down, and that pushes us up a note, scooch over. So finger 3 is always playing the first note of each measure. Finger 3, finger 3. So that little scooch is part of the fingering challenge of this, as well as all the skips that you're navigating. Now, let's move forward to look at page 2, where we've gone all the way up to here. And now we have our descending pattern. Skip up, down a fourth, skip up a third, skip down a fourth. And here you'll see this little asterisk, which I put in this edition with this little note: for the descending half of this exercise, the second beat of each measure has been altered from Hanon's original. Yes, I took some liberty here. I changed Hanon, which is kind of a big deal because Hanon is like this pillar of finger exercises, but I found a way it could make it even better. In Hanon's original, it does this, which is not what Hanon usually does. In most of his exercises, the descending is an inversion or a mirror image of what he did for ascending. And he doesn't do that here. I don't know why. Maybe he thought it sounded nicer that way, but the problem with what Hanon did in his original is it doesn't give fingers 4 and 5 as much practice in the left hand. With my version, which I think is an improvement, we make it a perfect mirror image. There should be another skip down of a fourth here to make it a mirror of what we did going up. So A, I made it a perfect mirror image. B, I'm giving fingers 5 and 4 extra practice than Hanon's version, and so it's more consistent. I think it makes the exercise better, so I changed it. So that's what we're doing on descending, and notice that it goes all the way down. I won't play it all. You would think we would normally stop here at C, but we need to go one more measure so it can finish nicely on C. And the final reason I think my version is better than Hanon's original is in Hanon's, he makes the scooch happen right there on the 7th note mid-measure, which again is different what you did on ascending. In my version, the scooch happens right on the downbeat of the next measure, which I think makes it so much easier to get right. It's getting you better practice, and it's a perfect inverse or inversion of what you did for ascending. So for all those reasons, that's why I made that change. Now, pause the video again and work on the descending page 2 of Hanon exercise number 13, then press play when you're ready to go on. Now that you know all the notes, let's talk about how to get the most from your practice time with Hanon exercise number 13. If you've been watching my videos in the past, you know I like to use what I call the fast tools. These are tools to help your fingers get faster. And one of the points of learning Hanon is to develop coordination for faster playing. One of my favorite fast tools is slow, quick, slow, quick, slow, slow, quick, slow. Make the slow, slow, and the quicks really quick. And then you alternate that with quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow. I'd go through it go all the way through it doing that. And then I like to use fast fours. Play 4 notes in a group super fast. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then last of all, turn on the metronome, find a consistent speed, and then gradually increase that. And push yourself, stretch yourself. Always listen for an even, smooth tone. You want all the notes to sound evenly and smoothly. You can try different dynamics. Piano or forte. You could play one measure forte, then piano. Forte, piano. Go back and forth. Forte, piano. That can be a fun way to challenge your skills as well. Great work learning to play Hanon's exercise number 13 today. I hope this exercise helps your fingers get faster, stronger, and even better prepared to play the exciting and fun music that you'll learn in the future. Thanks for watching and learning with me, and happy practicing.
Scuba? Kinda busy here. What's up, princess? Yeah, about that. What exactly are you doing? Oh, just spraying my anti-crocodile spray to keep away the crocodiles. What? But there aren't any crocodiles around here. I know. Works great, doesn't it? Sheesh.